That is so cute. Yes, hello, mommy.
Hello.
She watches my streams quite often.
Hello, Mama Phoenix. Hello.
What about does your family watch your streams?
They don't know what I do.
Oh wait, did you tell me that before?
I don't think I've told you that.
Oh.
I don't mention it. They will be very confused.
They don't know at all. Wow. Okay.
I say I'm a streamer. You see?
How can you hide it forever? Like, did I know you're a streamer? And just not what kind of streamer?
They don't even really know what streaming is, I think. Honestly.
Yeah, wouldn't they be wondering, like, how the hell their daughter is making money?
Yes. To put it simply, yes, they do wonder.
I mean, I didn't immediately tell my family either, but
Mother Owl has an idea, but I've never shown her anything. There.
You could say you are a moderator for YouTube chats.
I can't say that. I could say I moderate YouTube chats. Do I not?
You do a great job at it too.
Thank you.